Hi everyone, it's Genene and welcome to your 7 days of yoga challenge. 7 days of gentle energy with these short yoga practices. In this series, we're working our way through the body from the ground up. Today, being day 1, we start with the ground. And remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That really helps grow my channel. Come to all fours. Wrists underneath shoulders, knees underneath hip bones, and then take your right leg back, come onto the ball of your right foot on the ground, and then shift your heel back and then forward. And feel that stretch coming through the calf, gently waking up those muscles, and then feeling the toes spreading, getting some space in the toes. And now let's go to the other side. And feel what's here for you as you shift your heels back and forward. Keep pressing the floor away with your hands to prevent wrist pain clawing the floor. And now come back onto your knees. Let's go deeper into the toes, shall we? Take your knees together, your ankles together, your feet together. Everything's together and squeezing everything together. As you do that, shift your weight back. Eventually, you'll sit down onto your heels, but go slowly and mindfully listening. If your toes scream at you, it's telling you, please go slower. And maybe you don't get onto your heels today. Maybe you do. But keep those ankles glued together. And then you decide, okay, is this fine? No big deal. If so, you could come up and bring your hands into prayer hands, gazing straight ahead, calmly, gently, breathing, spaciousness, remembering your intention, the bigger intention to create a gentle energy for yourself, and then you fill in the blank, why that's important. Now come back onto your knees and hands and tap your feet and then roll your ankles one direction, get a little more movement in the ankles and a little more fluid, and then the other direction. Let's take these newfound feet out for a drive. Come up to standing. We're going to strengthen our feet and ankles. Take a wide stance. How wide? Well, if you take your arms out to the sides, you could draw a line straight down from the wrist to the ankle, and you're in the right length. Turn your right foot out 90 degrees. Left foot turns in slightly, so you might be surprised that we're balancing on 2 legs, not 1. If you're a yoga teacher, you understand, because this is Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2 pose. Bend your right knee, and this one, for beginners, can be very scary because what happens is they push the hips forward, which means something has to go back, and that's their upper body. And you don't want to fall backwards in this pose because you're completely out of control. So instead, take the thighs back, bend the right knee 90 degrees or something like that. Arms out to the sides. Keep lifting that back inner thigh up. And that's going to get more weight to your outer left foot. Remember, we're focused on those feet. What are our feet feeling right now? Do we have all 4 corners of the feet engaged? Gaze across your right middle finger. Take a breath here. And release the arms down, straighten the leg, come to the other side. Right foot turns in a little bit more than you think maybe. Left foot goes out 90 degrees. So you're lifting from the ball of the foot. Bend the left knee. Go into your warrior two. And another thing with this one to remember, the left heel is either intersecting with the inner arch of the foot. If you're a little more tight, then you walk this right foot forward. So you'd be more heel to heel, in other words. The hips are open out to the side. And instead of trying to roll the ankle to get more weight to the outer right foot, instead start from what's closest to the torso and lift the inner thigh instead. Gazing across left middle finger, and then inhale, straighten the legs, join the legs together, and come to Tadasana, focused on balancing on two legs. And notice that this too is a balance. Open your eyes, and let's come to lying on our backs. From here, draw your knees into your chest. And just take a moment to place your hands on your left foot. Maybe give them a little squeeze, just sending them a little love and care. And then the right. And then straighten the legs one at a time, Shavasana. Gently allowing your eyes to close. Note where you feel more alive, more vibrant, ready to take on the rest of your day. And let us know in the comments how this sequence worked for you and how you're using it. Remember to subscribe, which helps me grow my channel and I can continue to make these videos. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Namaste.